Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I may have screwed up the upload schedule today because it is Saturday morning and I'm on my way to the S1 block party to see your boy Young Static. I'm on the highway driving. We should be here in a little bit. Stay tuned for whatever is about to happen. I don't know. Out here to the S1 block party. It's a little early. We're gonna see if we can't find Dana and not get demonetized. So we're out here, S1 block party, hanging out with Young Static. We're giving some stuff away. You know. So we're still out here hanging out at the S1 block party. Young Static is chatting it up with a lot of people. Everybody loves Young Static. He's probably the greatest there is on YouTube. This yellow ITR behind me, or Integra, is just absolutely gorgeous. A lot of gorgeous cars out here today. It is a bit hot, I will say that, but it is May, so it's to be expected here in Florida. Should cool off a little bit later today, but I'm gonna check out some more of these cars.
Look at it, everybody. One of the baddest, if not the baddest.
This thing is absolutely sexy.
It is, bro.
Sexy.
No cap.
No cap. Sexy thing.
So much inspiration. So much
Check out this EG hatch with the Graham lights.
You don't need one of these.
He don't need one of those.
You don't need one of those.
This is crazy. This is Skyline, but it looks like it's got Evo front end. It's weird. I don't know much about those type of cars. Save it. Another gorgeous hatch. Believe I've seen this car before, but it's K-Swap Turbo. Out of control. So we're out here taking a little break in the shade at the S1 block party. Pretty fun time. They got lots of food and stuff. About to grab some food and you know, chill for a minute. And we'll be back at it. So we're hanging out here. We just ran into Emilio from Emilio's World, and we're gonna check out his car. Oh wait, my hand. All right, so we're wrapping it up here at the S1 block party with Young Static hanging out. We're gonna see Static later this week, so
We're gonna figure out something to do, man, for sure.
yeah, for sure. We're gonna hang out and get demonetized by the music. Thank you. Peace out.